all the probabilities must add up to 1. So if we add up what we have, 0.3 plus 0.35 plus 0.15, we get a total of 0.8. So to make that up to 1, 1 subtract 0.8 is 0.2. To take a yellow card, yellow has a probability of 0.15, and Anisha's doing this 40 times, so 40 multiplied by 0.15 is 6. Two hours 15 minutes. 2 hours is 120 plus the extra 15 is 135 minutes. There's our speed triangle. We want speed, which is distance over time. So 495 over 135. We put that into the calculator. We get an answer of 3.6 recurring, which is way too slow for a train. So remember, we must multiply by 60, which gives us an answer of 220, which is a sensible speed for a train. More than 60, well, only 6 out of the 32 spent more than 60 minutes. That as a percentage, 6 divided by 32 multiplied by 100 is 18.75. Total time, so 0 to 20 we're going to approximate with the midpoint of 10, 20 to 40 with 30, 40 to 60 with 50, 60 to 80 with 70, and then we're going to multiply them and add them all up. So 10 multiplied by 7, 30 multiplied by 16, 50 multiplied by 3, and 70 multiplied by 6. We're not doing a division, it's not asked me for a mean, it's asked for the total. So 10 multiplied by 7, 30 by 16, 50 by 3, 70 by 6, gives me a grand total of 1,120. Expand the brackets, so 6 multiplied by 3a is 18a, 6 multiplied by negative 2b is negative 12b, and 6 multiplied by positive c is positive 6c. 18a subtract 12b plus 6c. Factorise, both terms have a t, so that's going on the outside of our bracket. T multiplied by another t gives me the t squared, and t multiplied by negative 10 gives me negative 10t. Solve this equation. First thing to do, the opposite of divide by 3 is to multiply by 3. So I get 3x equals 7 subtract 2x. Get all the x's onto the left hand side. So I've got to add the 2x. So 5x equals 7. Finally, opposite of multiply by 5 is divide by 5. So x equals 1.4. Subtracting fractions, so we cross multiply to get the tops. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. And we just multiply the two denominators. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. 24 subtract 9 is 15 over 54, which my calculator will tell me is the same as 5 over 18. P to Q, it's obviously got larger, so it's an enlargement. it's gone from having 2 squares along its base to 4, so that's a scale factor of 2. And if we join up the matching corners, we find they meet here at 0, 4.